Well, hello, my name is Louise Brown, and today I want to share something with you that I'm really passionate about, LegalShield. For over 50 years, LegalShield has been safeguarding people across Canada and the US. And in fact, today we proudly protect and empower more than 4.5 million people across North America. Now, I believe everyone deserves affordable access to legal protection, and that's exactly what LegalShield is here to provide. Since 1972, LegalShield has been revolutionizing the way we access the legal system, which can be expensive, complicated, and time-consuming. Now, with LegalShield, having access to a law firm is no longer something only the wealthy can afford. So, how do we do this? Think about it. Just like Amazon has made it easier for us to shop, Uber has changed how we get around, and Spotify has changed how we listen to our favorite music, LegalShield is a game changer, an innovative disruptor for accessing legal services. Now, through our mobile app or over the phone, getting connected to our extensive network of provider law firms is simpler, easier, and more affordable through our subscription-based model and technology. For a small monthly fee, LegalShield members can get advice from a provider law firm for both the legal matters they expect and the ones that catch them off guard. And while we often think of the legal system as being all about high-stakes courtroom drama, the reality is that lawyers can help with everyday issues that can actually keep you out of court. You don't have to be in the middle of a lawsuit to need legal advice. Have you ever thought about writing or revising your will? Maybe you're doing home renos and need a lawyer to review a contract before you sign. Or you've got a dispute with your neighbor about property lines. Or how about when you're being overcharged for repairs, dealing with a security deposit issue, or fighting a traffic ticket? You know, a lot of people try to handle these things themselves because they think hiring a lawyer is too expensive. But if you had affordable access to a lawyer, you could get that professional advice, understand your options better, and maybe even avoid bigger issues down the road. With LegalShield, you can reach out to a provider law firm to get the legal advice you need. If something feels off and you know it's not fair, but you're unsure about your legal rights, there's no need to lose sleep Googling for answers. Just tap the LegalShield app, schedule a consultation with a lawyer, and get the peace of mind you deserve. There are moments in life when having a lawyer on your side isn't just helpful, it's absolutely necessary. Now, LegalShield offers 3 plans to fit your needs, no matter where you are in life. It's never been easier to protect yourself legally. So let's start with the LegalShield Basic Plan, which covers you as a member and your spouse. If you ever have any questions, concerns, or issues, maybe something just doesn't seem fair, with a simple tap of your LegalShield mobile app, you will get sound legal advice on your matter. If you need a little extra help, your provider lawyer can write a letter or make a phone call on your behalf. You know, a letter on a law firm's letterhead can work wonders in dicey situations and may be all that's needed to settle things. How many times have you signed a contract without fully understanding it? From condo agreements to buying or refinancing a home, renting an apartment, buying a car, or even starting a new job, we sign more contracts than we realize. And most of us don't have a lawyer review them first. With the LegalShield Basic Plan, you can easily upload a personal document of up to 15 pages for review. Whether it's a contractor's agreement you're unsure about or the fine print on a warranty, your provider law firm has your back. Now, when it comes to estate planning, there's no better way to ensure your final wishes are known. Your provider law firm will prepare the documentation for your will, power of attorney for personal health care, and power of attorney for property, giving you and your loved ones peace of mind. With your basic legal plan, you're also covered for an uncontested name change after 180 days. Your law firm will provide assistance with preparing the necessary documents and guide you through the process. Again, just one of the many ways your plan offers valuable support for everyday legal matters. Now, how about help with a traffic issue? LegalShield has you covered on and off the road. The basic plan offers consultation and advice on moving traffic violations and includes courtroom representation for up to 1 traffic ticket per member per year for a flat fee. Now, if you ever find yourself being sued or named in a civil lawsuit, defending yourself could be financially devastating. Well, our basic legal plan has you covered there too. Members receive a set number of pre-trial and trial hours of your provider law firm's time for covered civil matters. What's more, LegalShield understands that life doesn't stop after business hours or on weekends or holidays. That's why your provider law firm is available for covered emergencies 24/7, 365 days a year. Whether you're being questioned or detained by law enforcement, involved in an automobile accident with injury, or if the government is attempting to remove your children from your home, just tap your app for emergency legal access anytime, day or night. Plus, as part of your membership, you can get your documents e-signed in accordance with the laws of your province. Members can get unlimited number of e-signatures, and if you need legal help outside of what's covered by your plan, you'll get a 15% discount off your provider law firm's standard hourly rate, making sure you're always legally empowered. But what if you're looking to protect your entire family? Well, the LegalShield Preferred Legal Plan offers the best value. Not only does it cover you, but your membership also protects your spouse and eligible dependent children. The preferred plan includes everything in the basic tier plus more. Now, when dealing with your legal issue, if your provider law firm sent a letter or made a phone call on your behalf, but it didn't get the result you wanted the first time, the preferred plan lets them follow up with another letter or call per issue. Not only that, but your law firm will also review larger, more complicated documents up to 25 pages, including residential loan document review and tenant lease assistance when it comes to your primary residence. Now, we all know that life changes fast. Maybe you got married, had a child, or bought property recently. Well, your preferred legal plan not only allows the preparation, but also makes updates to your estate planning documents every year. That's your will, power of attorney for personal health care, and power of attorney for property. So it's easy to keep everything up to date as needed. The plan will even help streamline the estate process through simplified probate. After 180 days as a member, you unlock additional family services like uncontested adoptions and consultation on uncontested separations and divorce. You'll also get more help with traffic tickets. In addition to the advice and consultation, the preferred legal plan covers 2 moving traffic violations per member per membership year. And beyond traffic violations, LegalShield can help drivers deal with property damage claims and reinstating your driver's license. With the preferred plan, if you're audited by the CRA, our preferred members receive consultation, advice, and audit representation on a schedule of hours. On top of that, you get access to even more affordable legal services with a 25% discount off your provider law firm's standard hourly rate for any personal legal matters not covered by your preferred plan. Finally, let's talk about the LegalShield Premium Plan. Now, this plan gives you the most comprehensive personal family coverage, including everything in the preferred plan plus more. As a LegalShield Premium Plan member, you can now have documents up to 35 pages reviewed by your law firm. Our most comprehensive estate planning options are included in the Premium Plan, which helps with preparing a simplified probate and probate application, which can help ease the process of settling your estate and reducing the burden on your family during an already challenging time. This plan also enhances many other LegalShield benefits, like expanded motor vehicle services. You can get assistance with 3 covered traffic violations per year, and it includes advice and representation for criminal defense if you're involved in a death-related traffic accident, protecting you from charges for manslaughter, negligent homicide, or vehicular homicide. And if you end up in a civil lawsuit, premium members start with 100 hours combined of trial and pretrial hours in their very first year. Now, on top of all the other benefits that come with LegalShield, every plan also includes MemberPerks discounts, letting you save on the things you're already buying. So, reach out to the LegalShield independent associate who shared this video with you and choose the plan that best fits and join the over 4.5 million people who enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having affordable legal protection through LegalShield. You and your family deserve it.